About this channel disclaimer. The content provided on this channel is not financial advice and is for entertainment and educational purposes only. Please consult with a qualified financial advisor before making any financial decisions. Welcome. My name is Rees, and this is my channel Echo and Vision. If you're interested in 1. Earning more money. 2. Managing debt effectively. 3. Building passive income streams. 4. Investing. 5. Personal finance tips. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the thumbs up button for support. All videos are animated by me under the Echo and Vision brand. My goal is to simplify complex financial topics, making them easy to understand and fun to watch. Note: there are countless ways to make money, and success depends on your skills, interests, and available resources. Stay tuned for actionable insights and engaging content to help you on your financial journey. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey. Real-life investment story. How consistency and patience paid off. The background: in 2008, during the global financial crisis, Sarah, a 28-year-old marketing professional, faced uncertainty about her financial future. While others panicked about the market crash, Sarah saw an opportunity to invest in undervalued assets. The beginning of her investment journey starting small. Sarah had no prior investment experience but started with $5,000 in savings. She opened a brokerage account and decided to invest in low-cost index funds like the S&P 500 SPY. 1. Reason: index funds are less risky and provide market-wide exposure. 2. Action: she researched and chose Vanguard's S&P 500 ETF, investing her entire savings in it. Learning through mistakes. 1. Impulsive decision: Sarah once invested $2,000 in a trendy tech stock based on hype. 1. The company's shares plummeted by 60% within a year. 2. Lesson learned: she realized the importance of due diligence and avoided chasing trends going forward. The power of dollar cost averaging. 1. In 2010, Sarah started contributing $300 monthly to her investment account using a dollar cost averaging strategy. 2. Regardless of market fluctuations, she remained consistent in her contributions. 3. Over time, this strategy helped her buy more shares when prices were low and fewer when prices were high. The compounding effect. 1. By 2018, Sarah's portfolio had grown significantly. 1. Her original $5,000 had turned into $16,000, and her consistent monthly contributions had added another $25,200. 2. Thanks to compound interest and market growth, her portfolio was worth $75,000. Diversification and new ventures. 1. Real estate. In 2019, Sarah bought a duplex using her investment portfolio as leverage. 1. She rented out one unit, which covered most of her mortgage. 2. Cryptocurrency. In 2020, Sarah cautiously invested 5% of her portfolio in Bitcoin and Ethereum, which added significant growth. Challenges along the way. 1. Market volatility. The 2020 COVID-19 pandemic caused a sharp dip in her portfolio, but Sarah avoided panic selling. 2. Emotional discipline. She learned to stay focused on long-term goals and ignore short-term market noise. Where she stands today by 2024, Sarah's diversified investment portfolio, including index funds, real estate, and a small allocation to crypto, is worth $350,000. She credits her success to 1. Consistency in investing. 2. Patience during market downturns. 3. A focus on long-term growth over short-term gains. Key takeaways from Sarah's story. 1. Start early. Even small amounts grow significantly over time with compounding. 2. Stay consistent. Regular contributions reduce the impact of market volatility. 3. Avoid impulsive decisions. Research and understand your investments. 4. Diversify. Balance risk with different asset classes. 5. Think long-term. Resist emotional reactions to short-term market changes. Sarah's journey highlights how everyday individuals can achieve financial success with the right mindset, strategy, and persistence. 1. If you found this helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tips. 1. Share this with a friend who's starting their investment journey.